How to earn core daily on Coresage through contract address. So in this video, I will show you how to earn core tokens daily using Coresage step by step. So if you are looking for a legit online earning method, this Coresage tutorial will guide you on how to start, mine core and increase your earning. And the things you need to put in place before you start is your Web3 wallet, any of the Web3 wallet, OKS wallet, Bitget wallet, MetaMask, any of the Web3 wallets, you have to have it before you will start. The second thing you need to have is you have at least minimum of 61 core to get started. 60 core required, but you need a little amount of core for your transaction, that's for your gas fee. That is why I said minimum of 61 core. And I'm going to be giving out 5 core each to the first 50 people that will register using my referral link. So if you register on Coresage using my referral link, I'm going to reward you. Just message me on my X account or WhatsApp group and give me proof of your registration. I'm going to reward you 5 core for registering using my link. Note, this offer is time limited. It's going to end in 24 hours. So after 24 hours, do not message me. So the third point is that you need to import the custom network of core to any of the Web3 wallets. I've also recorded a video on that. I'll also attach it. So once you have these 3 things in place, the next thing to do is to come over to any of the Web3 wallets you are going to use. The referral link will be attached in the video description. Just copy the referral link, come over to your D app and search it, then you start. So coming to the OKS, I'm going to use OKS. You come OKS wallet, you come to explore. Once you tap on explore, you are going to paste the referral link here. Once you paste the referral link, you search it, then automatically you are going to be asked to sign in. You are going to be asked to sign in. So what you are going to do, once you come to this session, you're going to click here. You will see connect wallet. You click here and connect your wallet immediately. Once you connect your wallet, you are now going to see proceed. This is why you need to have core already on your OKS. So how then do you have core on your OKS? Now let's go back. Coming back here, you have to come to the OKS here, watch that video and import core custom network. So you have already imported your core custom network. There's no need going to that part again, since I've already made a video on how to import this custom network. So you tap on this core and you copy the address. Once you copy the receiving address, you copy it. Now if you want to deposit through exchanges, you can deposit core from your exchange. Let's assume you want to use OKS exchange to deposit your core, or Bybit or Bitget, whichever exchange you have your USDT, you can actually buy core from there. So let's assume you are going to use Gate.io. So once you come over to Gate.io, whichever exchange that you want to buy your core, you click on trade. Once you tap on trade, you are going to search for core. I have core already here. So you can see core is trading at 0.03 per core. So what you are going to do, minimum of $3 can buy you this core. At least $3 is going to give you around 70 something core. So you will still have enough remaining. So the actual price may be around 2.73 or 75 USDT can actually give you 60 something core. So it is easy if you have USDT. So you come over and put the amount of core you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy 2, you tap on 2 and you buy it. Once you buy this core, the next thing is to transfer it to your Web3 wallet. So what you're going to do is you click on your assets. Once you click on your assets, you now click on withdraw. You want to withdraw the core that you have already. So you click on withdraw, then you click on on-chain withdraw. You tap on on-chain. So you're going to see the core that you just bought from the exchange. So you tap on it. Now you are going to, since you have already copied your core address from your Web3 wallet, you tap here to paste the link, your address, and the network is called DAO, and you are going to put the amount of core you want to withdraw. remember there will be a withdrawal fee attached to the withdrawal fee. Then you continue the process. There is no need going through this. I'm not depositing any call. So after that, you now click on withdraw. So you are going to receive, like based on this, I have 14.421 call and I'm going to receive 13 because of the withdrawal fee. So I'm going to receive 13 points. So once you click on withdraw, you follow that process and you are going to receive your call to your Web3 wallet. So once you receive your call to your Web3 wallet, you can then sign in. So once you receive your call, you will come back, they will now ask you to accept to pay for the $60 worth of call. Remember, the gas fee must be there. So that is why you need to deposit at least 61 call. Once you click on it, it will proceed. You pay for it. The next thing is you will see your welcome ID and you can click on proceed to dashboard. Once you tap on dashboard, this is the dashboard. I've just started today and you can see I just earned 0.2 call for just starting today. Tomorrow I'm going to come back and earn again. Let's see the timeline. I have 18 hours to claim another call. So this is you can upgrade to S3 matrix. But before you upgrade, once you have, I just started, so this is how it was. Level 1, you can see I'm just starting. Anybody is free to join. So at level 1, you need at least 3 people to complete level 1. And one good thing about this is that if you refer people, you are getting money, you are getting bonus for referring. If your downline also refer people, you're also receiving from both ends. So you refer 3 people, you complete level 1. Now for level, and your mining speed or rate will increase. You have to claim it here for level 2, level 3, 120, level 4. So the more you refer people, the more your level increase. So apparently this is what you need. You can as well see matrix. You can as well upgrade to this level, and what you need is minimum of 6 referrals to reach to this level, which it is very easy to get if you have community. So this is basically what you need. You claim it. Many people are cashing out. Core currently is down, but before you know it, core is an asset. It's a very strong potential coin that even if you hold it for years, you're going to make a lot of money. So start now. If you are looking for an avenue to earn online, do not miss Coresage. Do not miss Coresage. You are still early to join. I just registered now, and you yourself can as well join. So the link, if you click on this partner, this is where you see your referrals and your ID. So when somebody asks you your ID, you see it here. So basically, this is what you need. So if you tap on this Coresage, you are going to see you are going to read more about it. They say build your network, multiply your earnings, join Sage and transform connections into suitable passive income on core chain. You click on join network, you view their white paper. So that is it for this video. If you don't want to go through the process of going to exchange, maybe you don't have USDT to buy core, you can as well reach out to me. I'm going to send you core to your Web3 wallet. You can use it to start immediately. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.